Namaste. Who doesn't want a strong mind power? In this special episode today, let us understand what is that diminishes the mind power or pulls down the brain's potential. For this, we'll have to first and foremost pay attention to the quality of sleep. Most of them, when we speak about sleep, think that by sleeping somewhere around 8 to 10 hours would be sufficient for their brain health or for their overall well-being. But dear friends, do you know that in spite of sleeping for somewhere around 7 to 10 hours, you might not be giving a quality sleep experience to your brain or your mind. So, kindly pay attention to the quality of sleep which makes you feel rejuvenated, fresh and light when you wake up in the morning rather than just being obsessed about the number of hours that you're sleeping. Now, when it comes to quality sleep, there's another important aspect that we cannot ignore. If this is not taken good care, this will also pull down your brain's potential or mind power, and that is the level of stress. Yes, chronic stress when experienced will definitely make your brain to release a lot of stress hormones like cortisol, which will create a lot of complications not just in your body but also will pull down your mind power. So, please ensure that you have a watch on your stress levels to ensure that your mind power or your brain power is always taken good care of. Now, the third most important thing is one of the most common things but mostly ignored as well, which is doing good exercise. Now, lack of basic movements or exercise will definitely reduce your cognitive ability. Research says that your brain power can be reduced significantly if you're too lethargic to go about any simple exercise or go about doing some sort of yoga or simple movements. Most of them say that I do a lot of hard work at home. I'm a housemaker, so I do a lot of household chores. So I don't think I need to be doing a lot of exercise. This will be taken care by doing household chores. But my dear friends, doing a conscious movement will make a lot more difference to your brain or your mind than just doing a lot of hard work in the actual activity that you indulge throughout the day. So, doing good amount of exercise consistently will definitely help you to boost your mind power, and not being able to give sufficient time to it regularly will definitely pull down your brain's potential. Now, the fourth most important thing is the diet. They say we become what we eat. It's no excuse to the brain as well. So, if you're eating a lot of junk food, if you're stuck in that sedentary lifestyle, you want some fast food always, or if you're eating food which has high sugar, or if you're consuming a lot of processed food, that will definitely pull down your mind's power. So, be conscious, be very choosy about what is getting into your system. In fact, if you ask me, you have to spiritually connect with the food that's on your plate and see if your body is happy receiving it. So, definitely having a lot of sattvic food, including a lot of fruits and vegetables in your diet, will be very much beneficial to boost your mind power. Now, the fifth one that I'm going to share today might be a little surprising for most of them, that doing multitasking can actually damage your mind power. Now, it is a common notion that if you're juggling between multiple tasks, you are believed to be very brainy or intelligent. But my dear friends, do you know that when you're doing too many things, the brain is not given scope to focus on any one thing appropriately. So, this actually drains the mind power down. Have you ever noticed that if you have a hectic day where you're doing too many things, at the end of the day, you feel so exhausted? It's really not because the hard work or the physical work that you've put in, but your mind feels so drained in spite of doing so many things, isn't it? Yes, that's because your brain, unable to appropriately focus and concentrate on everything that you're doing, in fact, being unable to awarefully indulge in an activity drains your mind power. So, make note of these 5 extremely crucial points if you want a strong brain power. Please focus on the quality of sleep. Have a check on your stress levels. Definitely give time for your body, do exercise or yoga or some sort of gentle movements at least in the best scope of what you can do. Sometimes the body has gone too rigid or you've not been doing exercise for a long time. So, you go on giving lame excuses to not be able to get into some sort of an exercise. But see what best you can do, starting from a simple brisk walking every day for 5 to 10 minutes. And of course, as I told, diet is extremely important. And the last one being, as much as possible, put your 100% awareness and focus on the specific task that you're doing. Now, if you can keep watch on these 5 significant things, you'll automatically see a massive shift and improvement in your brain power. By plugging certain holes that is draining our mind power, we can conserve a lot of energy, which can indirectly boost our mental power. Keep a watch on this and do let me know what you feel in the comment section. In the next episode, I'll share a lot more tips and suggestions about how through other ways you can boost your mental power and keep yourself motivated for holistic wellness of your own being. I'll see you again in the next episode. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.